What should a client be looking for when they're looking for lawyers? Not all personal injury law firms are created equal. And this spectrum, you have the sole practitioner, usually this law firm, and I know because I used to be one, again, it's a general practice. Taking whatever cases I can. I love PI cases because they're low-hanging fruit and I can either resolve them myself or I can broker it off to some personal injury law firm. So I'm going to sign as many of those as I can, but I don't know what I'm doing because I'm so focused on my family law or my criminal law practice, which has really demanding court requirements. Personal injury, in a lot of our states that we operate in, you can sit on those cases for 4 years. In Arizona, it's 2 years. In Idaho, it's 2 years. So you can let that case sit there for a long time without having to do any work. Then on the other end of the spectrum, you have the big law firms. And it's probably not fair to say this, but we kind of call them mills. And we say that because they're just bringing in a volume. They're trying to sign 200, 300, 400 cases a month. They have teams that are spending, millions of dollars a year to try to acquire those cases, and so they're trying to process them quickly. Again, they're really not looking at what's in the best interest of the client. It's just how can we get a case settled quickly for a decent amount of money that's going to make our client happy and get some money to keep feeding our marketing beast. We intentionally at Feller Wendt said we're not going to do either one of those. We believe that we're right in a very advantageous place in the middle. So we're a mid-sized law firm, and even as we grow, we refuse to allow our clients to become numbers. We're always going to provide them with the personal attention that they deserve. We stand by our motto of our family protecting yours. So you're going to get the communication that you need. You're going to get the time and attention on your case that you need. And we're going to do all of that to make sure that you're getting the maximum outcome that you can get on your case and that you should deserve.